Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all will be fine. So today we are going to see how to pronounce some words. In this video you will learn how to pronounce the words, and at the same time I will give you some daily use sentences that you can use in your daily life, that you are using in your daily life but you do not know the English of these sentences. So now we will see how to pronounce the words and how to pronounce these sentences. It will help you to improve your English and it will enhance your vocabulary as well. So basically, pronunciation is the way in which a word is pronounced. I am talking about the definition of pronunciation, that what is a pronunciation? The way in which a word is pronounced, how we utter that word. So, and one more thing that you must keep in your mind, that spelling doesn't determine pronunciation, and similar words that are used for pronunciation are manner of speaking and accent. Okay, there are different accent of speaking English, but if you are speaking it correctly, that matters. I think accent or style doesn't matter. The thing that matter is, are you pronounce, pronouncing the word correctly or incorrectly. So we will now see daily pronunciation. I have also uploaded a video on commonly mispronounced words. You can check out on my page, on my YouTube channel, which is Online Learning with Sana Sajad. And before starting this, I would like to say that like and subscribe my channel and let me know your feedback through your comments, and tell me what kind of stuff do you want to be uploaded on this channel. So now let's move towards our basic, or our main task, which is I I am giving you some words, and there will be also some sentences. There will be words, and at the same time there will be some sentences that you can use in your daily life. So the first one is tire puncture ho gaya hai. So the English of this sentence is the tire has been punctured. Okay, so next time whenever you will use this word, you will not going to say in Urdu, you can also use this English sentence, that the tire has been punctured. The second one is the most commonly used sentence that in our daily life, I guess we say this sentence many times. देर से नाश्ता किया था. I had a late breakfast. Okay, I had a late breakfast. Breakfast. Okay, it's not breakfast, it's breakfast. Now third one is ar ya par. Now it is sink or swim. मैंने तो पूछना ही छोड़ दिया है. I have ceased to ask. I have ceased to ask. Okay, cease means to give up, to discontinue, to leave. तुक्के मत मारो. And this sentence also we use in our daily conversation. Don't shoot arrows in the dark. And you can also say do not shoot arrows in the dark. Don't is the contraction of do not. खुदा ना करे. God forbid. मुझे कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता. It makes no odds to me. It makes no odds to me. तुमने जलील करवा दिया. You put me to dishonor. You put me to dishonor. मेरी मर्जी. It's my choice. शाहरग. Jugular vein. Jugular vein. शौक का कोई मोल नहीं. There is no accounting for the taste. मेरी गलती तो बताओ. Point out my fault. And you can also say point out my mistake, point out my fault or point out my mistake. Roti kachi hai. This is also a sentence that we use in our daily life. The bread is half baked. The bread is half baked. सुधर जाओ मतलब ठीक हो जाओ. Mend your ways. It also means to correct yourself. Mend your ways. चावल कच्चे हैं. The rice are uncooked. ख्याली पुलाव. Wool gathering. Most of us use this word कि ख्याली पुलाव मत बनाओ. So it means to indulge in an idle fantasy. Wool gathering. And the last one is sneeze, छींक. और उससे छींकें आ रही हैं तो then we will say he or she. He or she is sneezing. I hope you like this because these all the words and sentences belong to our daily conversation, and many of us and probably many of you may not know the English of these words or sentences now from watching this video. And after watching this video you will definitely learn something from it, and I hope you will use these words in your daily life. You will in this way you will enhance your vocabulary as well as your confidence, or you may get more ideas by watching my more videos. Till then, practice them and do pronounce them correctly. Keep learning. Take care. Allah Hafiz.